Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok through Telegram. If you want to share an awesome TikTok video with your friends directly through Telegram, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok feed and find the TikTok video you want to share through Telegram. While the video is playing, tap and hold on the screen to pause it. Step 3. Look for the Share With menu, usually represented by an arrow icon. Tap on it to access the sharing options. Step 4. Tap on Telegram from the Sharing Options menu. This will open the Telegram app on your device. Next, select the receiver from your Telegram contacts or search for them by name. Once you've chosen the recipient, tap on the paper plane icon to send the TikTok video directly to them. By following these simple steps, you can easily share a TikTok video through Telegram and share the excitement with your friends in a secure and private way. Telegram provides a seamless experience for sharing TikTok videos and engaging in conversations with your friends. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your favorite TikTok videos through Telegram.